not giving him sex. You're not giving him sex.
Ngiyamupha yazi ngize ngivula yonke. Like
Wamuntu aring, aruyibula yonke.
Angikunelisi.
Maybe awushaya ama style. Maybe wamupha but awumfia ama style awafuna.
Angikunelisi na.
No, just that there is something unique about that one network. It's not that I don't love you.
What is it?
Understand?
He says,
the thing is, that's why I said that one is for take on. Because she got her own styles and everything that are unique and nicer.
He says the one network does styles that he wants. What is the style that you want that she doesn't do? Also when awufuna umfama styles. Awufuni.
Masiyazi ukuthi ngiyasebenza lo muntu.
No. Okay, uyasebenza like wamupha la style afunayo.
Ngiyamupha.
But they're not regular. You see now, she says she's working. Sometimes when you meet her, she's at work.
Honey, okay. Because we want to understand what are those styles that the other one is giving you that she's not giving you. What are those styles?
I mean, these things are personal, man. And
no.
I can't talk to you about my baby. She knows. Sometimes speak to you and I be like, let's please do this kind of thing. Then she'll be like, hey, I'm tired, I'm from work. What am I supposed to do?
So, awumuphe ama styles wena uthi wena ukhathela. Uthi wena ukhathela. Khuluma phela.
So that's why you decide ukungifebela because mina ngisuke ngikhathele.
Not really, just that I'm a man, you know.
So
man.
Ufuna udlala yena, ufuna ama styles. Ufuna ukuphendula.
I need you on bed. This thing I think this story, tomorrow I think that. What am I supposed to do? And that one, such chicks what they do. When they I have a girlfriend, they do everything on bed to make sure they satisfy me more than the person that I have.
What's the side chicks? They make sure. Vamupha yonke into ayifunayo.
Nami ngiyakwenza mos.
But sometimes we're always fighting about this.
Kahle uzama ukungitshela ukuthi yena umnandi udlula mina.
Uthi umupha ama styles wonke.
No, ama style.
Wena which style honey are you giving him?
Hayibo, i-dog style ngiyamupha mos.
But man, one thing about me and my girlfriend, we're always fighting about this enjoyment again. And then sometimes we go outside.
I guess I enjoy the way I feel.
But then it's not serious that day. It was just something that I get when I'm angry or something, when I'm lonely, when I'm bored, when I'm at work, something like that. But it's not something serious.
So kusho ukuthi wena moyive ufuna ama helicopter or ama scissors what?
Yo.